Alright, welcome back to another Skywars. And, yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and, yeah, we're gonna wreck them, I guess. Oh, dang it. Look at this dude. What the frick? Ah, that was funny. That takedown. Even if I lose this game, I mean, I still post them if I lose. But that takedown, though. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh, okay, so go ahead and do the knockback trick. It's called Knockback 1 on a women's sword. Awesome team, people. Oh, that was fun. Oh, joy. I'll PvP you when your speed goes away, buddy. We have 2 awesome kills so far. If we win this, it's gonna be... Miss. Aw, that was so close. We got him down to 6 health. And he regen. Alright, well, that'll end this episode. I know it was kind of short, but we had 3 awesome kills. Especially the trolling one. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.